Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and in this video we're going to analyze the market fundamentally for the next Monday to Friday. That means for the next week, okay? And before we start, we need to know what kind of fundamental news is coming in the market, okay? As you can see, there is a lot of news from economic calendar, and one other kind of news are coming there, that is from Twitter or X or Truth Social, like that kind of sources or like that kind of social platforms, okay? And you may ask me, Mr. Boom, where we can get all of the news. Okay, I will explain that later, and let's dive into our analysis first, okay? And especially on gold or XAUUSD, if you want to analyze the market, you have to keep your eyes on USD news. That means if you want to crack the USD news, then you can master the gold market fundamental analysis or fundamental analysis of gold market, okay? Because of gold is always connected with USD, and we have to keep our concern on USD news. There is two kind of news comes in the market. One of them is positive news, another one is negative news. And for positive news, data come with green 0.5%, green to 45k, okay, like that. And for positive news, we will sell gold, and for negative news, data come with red 0.5%, red to 45k, and that indicate buy for gold. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive news we will sell gold, why for negative news we will buy gold? Okay, let me explain that. And suppose there is a few triangle. Before that, you need to understand two common thing. That is, number one is gold value is always fixed or constant. Number two is USD value is always changeable or variable. That means currency value can be changed anytime, but metal like gold, XAUUSD, that means silver and other things like that is always fixed, okay? And suppose for now one triangle of XAUUSD, that means one triangle of gold is equal to 2500 triangle of United States dollar. And if you got minus 5%, that means USD news come with minus 5% data, and in that case we will minus 5% from previous triangle. And if we minus 5%, then in that case gold is bigger than USD. That means for negative news we will buy gold. And same thing for positive news. If we plus or add 5% with previous triangle, that means if you got plus 5% data in gold or in USD news, then we will add plus 5% in this triangle, in that base triangle, then we can get a 5% bigger than previous one triangle, okay? And this is the philosophy, or this is the theory. In that case USD is bigger than gold, and in that case we will sell gold, okay? Sell gold. This is the theory, or this is the philosophy. So let's get back into economic calendar or economic chart. As you can see, there is a lot of news. Monday there is one news, Tuesday we have news also, and the Wednesday we have no news, and Thursday we have a lot of news, and in Friday we have also news, and Saturday we have news, but market close that day, so we can't trade in that case, okay? And for Monday, if we got positive news like plus 5% or green 5%, then we will sell gold, or otherwise if we get negative news we will buy gold. Same for Tuesday, and those orange color news are semi major news, and major news are like that, like red color news are major news. So you have to keep your concern on that kind of news also. And negative news data come with like that red data, and positive news data come with green data, like that color of data, like suppose 5.5, like that, okay? So you have to keep your concern on that thing also. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, I am new on this field, I don't understand where to go or how to buy or when to buy. So you just simply can join our Telegram channel. There we are updating a lot of things into our Telegram channel. Because of that, you will get sharp entry and exit point from us, okay? Telegram channel link in the video description box. And for all of them, if we got positive value, if we got positive value we will consider sell, and if we got negative value we will consider buy for all of the news, okay? And let's get back into sudden news like from Twitter or from X or from Truth Social or other news channel or news websites like that. Donald Trump can speak anytime without any economic calendar alert or without anything. And there is also Fed persons can talk anytime about interest rate cut or other thing. So that kind of news, sudden news, doesn't come or don't come into that kind of economic calendar. So we have to keep our concern on social media like X, Truth Social, and Bloomberg News, CNN News, and other thing. You may just want to say me, Mr. Boom, I don't have time to keep all time my eyes on that or on the platforms. I just want to say you just can join our Telegram channel. Our team especially all time keeping our eyes or their eyes onto their side, and when we got any update from all of them, we just update into our Telegram channel or we just post about that in our Telegram channel. So you may simply join our Telegram channel. There you also get daily 1 or 2 free entry, most accurate free entry, daily fundamental analysis or daily technical analysis like chart analysis, where market can go till which time or what can be scenario for the whole day. So I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal or free chart analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel, link in the video description box. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.